Are you trying to set a goal and it seems like everybody on the internet has an opinion? Set a smart goal. Nope, set a smarter goal. Nope, write your goals down. Set clear goals. And it seems like no matter what you do, when you do all the things, you're not getting any closer to accomplishing your goal. Well, I have some news for you. It's not the systems, the strategy, and the support like we like to believe it is. It's actually yourself and your beliefs that negatively impact the success you have with your goals. Now, I know that's not what you want to hear, but hang tight because I'm going to talk about how you can break free of those limiting beliefs, stop sabotaging yourself, and create the success that you really, truly desire and deserve. I read a quote earlier this week that says, "What you believe is what you build, and what you doubt is what you delay." And I can't tell you how deep I felt that. I was that person that really, really wanted growth and change and wanted to accomplish these big goals and accomplish the big vision that I had for my life. But deep down, I had these deep-rooted doubts. I didn't believe I was worthy. I believed that the goals were too complex. And so no matter how much I invested time or money into the goal, I wasn't getting any closer. And that's because of limiting beliefs. Now, here's the thing. I'm not on my own with limiting beliefs. We all have them. Research says that we gain limiting beliefs when we're young, from the ages of like 0 to 6, because we're basically a walking subconscious mind, taking in every single thing that we can. We're learning from our neighbors, from our friends, from our family, and we're taking in all these things, but we have no filter to make sense of it. So during that time, we take those limiting beliefs and we adopt them and make them our own. And then through life, as we grow older, we find different situations that reinforce these limiting beliefs. And while for years we've played out these limiting beliefs, and to some extent they're safe and they're a part of our comfort zone, they don't serve us. And so this is why I wanted to confront those limiting beliefs and give you the tools to be able to break free of them. So here's the thing, as long as you have limiting beliefs is as long as you'll have a limited lifestyle. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to live a limited lifestyle. So in order to break free of limiting beliefs, you gotta shift your mind, right? If you can shift your mind, you ultimately are able to shift your thoughts. Now, for most people, that's really complex because our mind is what we're used to. We make a habit out of the way that we think. And so sometimes it's difficult to get to the root of it and start to make those shifts. But I have really, really good news for you. I have decided to offer you an opportunity to join me on my limitless goals to a limitless life so that you can begin to create a life with absolutely no limits. With this training, we will be using a powerful technique that allows you to make rapid shifts in an amazing way, because what we're doing is changing the model in which you communicate with yourself and how it impacts your actions and your behaviors. And more importantly, we're taking those limited beliefs and totally moving them aside, removing them, and replacing them with beliefs that serve you and push you in the direction of your success. Also, in addition, I'm adding a totally free EFT tapping session on limiting beliefs so that you can conquer those limiting beliefs and replace positive statements that, again, push you in the direction of your goals. Here's the thing. Limiting beliefs skew your perspective. They negatively affect your relationships. They keep you stuck, stagnant, angry, and resentful. And if you're being honest, these aren't things that you want to continue to feel. And honestly, these aren't things you should continue to feel. And so I would love it if you use the link below to join me, because what we're getting ready to do is we're going to get to the root of that limiting belief and totally shift it so that in turn, you're able to shift your life. This will be by far the best commitment you can make so that when you start to get the tools, the strategies, and the systems, you can apply it because your mindset is already in alignment with what it is that you desire and deserve. So use the link below, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.